Venturing outdoors on a bitterly cold day often requires a certain amount of bravery. With the wireless Bluetooth music hat though, suitable for men and women, you can step outdoors confidently. Listen to your favourite music tracks, podcasts or audiobooks while you take a walk, jog or run with the Bluetooth hat. The built-in speakers within the hat allow your head to remain warm while you listen to your favourite tunes streamed from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled device. Even better, the Bluetooth hat is completely wireless, so you can enjoy your outdoor adventures without any annoying tangled wires spoiling the view or wrapping around your neck. With the built-in microphone, you can even make and receive phone calls. Using the built-in controls, you can accept and reject calls or adjust music playback, including adjusting volume and track selection.